Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. Just before I start today's video, I just want to let you all know that tomorrow I will not be posting any videos due to the fact I'm travelling to Thailand and I'm going to be up in the air during the time when I would usually record and upload the videos. Videos will resume on Wednesday as per usual, as we do have the Fed minutes, and I do anticipate there to be plenty of volatility in the markets. Just before I start today's video though, for anyone who is still interested in joining my signal service, please don't hesitate to visit my website dailymarketmovements.com. I've left the website link in the description of today's video. I charge a very small fee of $29.99. But crude oil markets here, we're still trading within this wedge pattern. We did go and test the top side of it last week and we got rejected. You could even argue that we got rejected at that 0.82 fib area. And today we went and tested the 0.236 fib area and as well the 50-day EMA, which just lies below, and it has held. So that should be seen as a positive here for the crude oil markets. And it looks to me that we're going to go and retest that 0.382 fib area, which is up at around $107 a barrel. One thing that I would be very cautious of though, if you are a crude oil bull, is gold and crude oil have been heavily correlated so far this year. We've had a very similar pattern play out in the gold markets where we've rallied from February onwards. And if we go back to February here, we've seen that massive rally towards the upside. Then we've been trading within this huge wedge pattern. And if we go over to the gold markets, look what has happened. We've broken that 50-day EMA, so very similar to the crude oil markets where that 50-day EMA is within that wedge, and we've now, in the past day or so here in the gold markets, we have broken below that 50-day EMA and we are now testing the 200-day EMA. If crude oil was to do the same, well, then we could see prices fall to as low as $85 to $86 a barrel. I'm not saying that that's definitely going to happen, but there's definitely a correlation here, very similar movements between the gold and the crude oil markets, and it could just be that crude oil is lagging gold and we may see that break down towards the 200-day EMA. That being said, if we were to clear the 107 area and go and target 111, then I'll be very bullish here for the crude oil markets, and I would have my first price target about around $116 a barrel. And if we broke above there, that opens up the gates to 130.